In an era where most cars are built to be replaced every few years, there is a small group of vehicles that refuse to die. We aren't talking about simple economy cars. We are talking about elite luxury machines engineered with such precision that they often outlast their own owners. When people think of the year 2015, they often think of it as the sweet spot for the modern automotive industry. It was a time when technology was advanced enough to be convenient, but before cars became overly complicated with fragile sensors and intrusive driver aids. Standing at the very center of this perfect era is the 2015 Lexus GS 350. This is a car that was built for the individual who demands the soul of a sports sedan, but refuses to accept the unreliable nature of European luxury alternatives. While its competitors from Germany were focusing on complex turbochargers and delicate air suspensions, Lexus took a different path. They decided to perfect the naturally aspirated V6 engine and wrap it in a chassis that could handle like a dream while lasting for decades. Under the hood lies the heart of this legend, the 3.5-liter 2 GR-FSE engine. This power plant is widely regarded by mechanics as one of the greatest V6 engines ever produced. It delivers over 300 horsepower with a linear, smooth power delivery that modern turbocharged engines simply cannot replicate. Because it is naturally aspirated, there are no turbos to fail and no complex cooling lines to leak as the car ages. It is a masterpiece of mechanical simplicity and high-end engineering. Whether you are merging onto a fast-moving highway or cruising through a quiet neighborhood, this engine responds with a refined growl that lets you know you are driving something special. It is common to see these engines reaching 300,000 miles with nothing more than routine oil changes and basic maintenance. But the 2015 GS 350 isn't just about what's under the hood. It is about how it connects you to the road. This generation of the GS was famously tuned on the Nürburgring, and it shows. The steering is precise, the suspension is firm yet forgiving, and the overall balance of the car makes it feel much smaller and more agile than it actually is. It offers a level of driver engagement that is often missing from the Lexus lineup, proving that a car can be bulletproof without being boring. If you find one with the F-Sport package, you get even larger brakes and an adaptive variable suspension that allows you to sharpen the car's reflexes at the touch of a button. The interior is where the Lexus craftsmanship truly shines. In 2026, many modern luxury interiors feel like they are made of cheap tablets and thin plastics, but the 2015 GS feels like a private vault. The seats are legendary for their comfort, offering 18-way power adjustments that allow you to find the perfect driving position. The materials, from the hand-stitched leather to the high-quality wood or aluminum trim, are designed to look as good on day 4000 as they did on day 1. The build quality is so tight that even after a decade of driving, these cars rarely develop the squeaks and rattles that plague other luxury brands. Choosing a 2015 GS 350 today is one of the smartest moves a car buyer can make. You are getting a vehicle that looks aggressive and modern, drives like a precision instrument, and possesses the legendary reliability that the Lexus name was built upon. It is the perfect choice for the executive who wants to arrive in style, or the enthusiast who wants a reliable daily driver that still brings a smile to their face on a winding back road. It is a car that bridges the gap between raw performance and eternal durability. In a world of disposable transportation, the GS 350 stands as a monument to what happens when a manufacturer refuses to compromise on quality. The 2003 Lexus LS 430 is widely considered the most well-built luxury car in history. It was born during a golden era when Lexus engineers were given an unlimited budget to achieve perfection. The result is a vehicle that feels less like a machine and more like a permanent piece of architecture. The heart of this legend is the 4.3-liter V8 engine, known as the 3UZFE. It is so silent and vibration-free that you often have to check the tachometer just to see if it's running. This engine is famous for reaching 500,000 miles without a major overhaul. Unlike modern cars built with plastic components, every gear and bearing in the LS 430 was over-engineered to survive for decades. The interior is a sanctuary of old-world luxury, featuring hand-finished wood trim and leathers that stay supple for 20 years. In an age of disposable technology, this car stands as a monument to what happens when a company cares more about quality than profit margins. If you find a clean one, buy it and keep it forever, because they truly don't build them like this anymore. In the mid-2000s, the luxury car market was obsessed with flashy technology and complicated electronics that often failed within a few years. But Lexus had a different vision. They wanted to create a grand touring convertible that combined the elegance of a Mediterranean yacht with the reliability of a Japanese fortress. That vision resulted in the 2008 Lexus SC430. While critics at the time were divided over its unique styling, time has proven the SC430 to be one of the most brilliant long-term ownership prospects in automotive history. It is a car that was built for the open road, designed to provide a seamless, sun-soaked driving experience that never has to be interrupted by a trip to the repair shop. What makes this car truly immortal is the engine tucked away beneath its long, sculpted hood. This is the legendary 3UZFE, a 4.3-liter V8 that is often cited as one of the smoothest power plants ever conceived by man. This engine wasn't designed for high-strung racing. It was designed for effortless torque and absolute silence. It is the same engine architecture used in the flagship LS series, meaning it possesses a level of durability that is almost unheard of in the world of luxury convertibles. In 2026, while other European drop-tops from this era are suffering from expensive oil leaks and catastrophic engine failures, the SC430 continues to purr along as if it just rolled off the showroom floor. It is a masterpiece of mechanical simplicity that provides a level of peace of mind that is priceless. The defining feature of the SC430 is, of course, its power retractable hardtop. In less than 25 seconds, this car transforms from a quiet, secure, luxury coupe into an elegant open-air cruiser. The engineering behind this roof mechanism is a testament to Lexus's dedication to quality. While complex folding roofs are usually a nightmare for used car buyers, the SC's system is remarkably robust. In the modern automotive world, most luxury SUVs have become nothing more than tall station wagons built on car platforms. They are filled with fragile electronics and complex air suspensions that are designed for suburban streets, not the rugged wilderness. But then, there is the 2017 Lexus GX 460. This vehicle is a rare breed, a luxury beast that refuses to follow modern trends. While other manufacturers were switching to unibody designs and small turbocharged engines, Lexus stayed true to a legendary formula. The GX is a body-on-frame, old-school off-roader that is as comfortable in the mud as it is at a five-star hotel. It is quite literally a Toyota Land Cruiser Prado wearing a tuxedo, and in 2026, it stands as one of the most reliable vehicles ever built. The secret to its immortality lies under the hood, the 4.6-liter V8 engine. This is a naturally aspirated masterpiece that prioritizes durability over everything else. It doesn't use turbos, it doesn't use complicated hybrid systems, and it doesn't try to be anything it's not. It is a slow-revving, overbuilt engine that produces smooth, consistent power day after day, year after year. When combined with its robust 6-speed automatic transmission, you get a drivetrain that is famous for reaching 300,000 miles with nothing but basic oil changes. In a world of disposable engines, the GX 460 is a mechanical fortress. It is designed with a 25-year service life in the harshest environments on Earth, which means for the average driver it is practically indestructible. But don't let its rugged DNA fool you. The interior of the 2017 GX is a sanctuary of Japanese craftsmanship. The moment you climb inside, you are greeted by an elevated driving position that gives you a commanding view of the road. The materials are heavy-duty, yet incredibly premium. We are talking about thick leathers and genuine wood trim that feel like they were carved from a single block. Unlike modern touchscreens that are impossible to use while driving, the GX features physical buttons and dials that are built to last a lifetime. It is an interior that feels intentional, high quality, and incredibly quiet, thanks to Lexus's obsession with sound insulation. Even at highway speeds, the outside world is hushed, allowing you to enjoy the premium Mark Levinson audio system in total peace. What truly sets the GX 460 apart is its legendary four-wheel drive system. It features a true kinetic dynamic suspension and a Torsen limited slip center differential. This isn't just for show, it means this luxury SUV can go places that would leave its European rivals stranded. Whether you are navigating a snowstorm, towing a heavy trailer, or exploring a mountain trail, the GX handles it with a level of confidence that is honestly inspiring. If you look around the parking lot of any high-end grocery store or country club today, you will notice something interesting. Among the sea of brand-new six-figure luxury SUVs, you will still see a massive number of 2015 Lexus RX 350s. There is a very specific reason for this. The 2015 model represents the final year of the third-generation RX, and many automotive experts believe it is the most reliable luxury crossover ever built. It was the pinnacle of a design that Lexus had spent over a decade perfecting. While other manufacturers were rushing to add complicated air suspensions and fragile turbocharged engines, Lexus focused on one goal: making the RX 350 the most dependable vehicle on the planet. The soul of this vehicle is the legendary 3.5-liter V6 engine, known internally as the 2GRFE. This engine is a masterpiece of balance and durability. It produces 270 horsepower with a smoothness that makes it feel like it's gliding on silk. Because it is a naturally aspirated engine, it lacks the heat and pressure issues that eventually kill smaller, turbocharged motors. It is a simple, robust design that has been proven over millions of miles across the globe. In the world of luxury automobiles, there is often a lot of noise about horsepower, lap times, and aggressive styling. But for a specific group of savvy car buyers, luxury isn't about showing off. It's about the absence of stress. That is exactly what the 2008 Lexus ES 350 represents. Often referred to by enthusiasts as a rolling couch or rolling Valium, this car was designed with a single, unwavering purpose: to transport its occupants in total, hushed serenity while requiring almost nothing in return. While its German competitors from the same era were becoming notorious for complex electrical gremlins and cooling system failures, the ES 350 was quietly setting the record for the most stress-free ownership experience on the planet. The secret to this car's legendary status is what lies beneath the surface. It shares its fundamental DNA with the Toyota Camry, which is arguably the most reliable car platform ever conceived. However, Lexus took that bulletproof foundation and elevated every single component to a premium level. The heart of the machine is the 3.5-liter V6 engine. This engine is a masterpiece of smooth, linear power delivery. It doesn't use a turbocharger or any high-strung technology that might fail down the road. It is a simple, over-engineered powerhouse that is famous for reaching 300,000 miles with nothing more than basic fluid changes. Because it shares parts with the Toyota lineup, maintenance is incredibly affordable compared to any other luxury brand, making it the ultimate cheat code for someone who wants a premium life on a realistic budget. If you're looking for a vehicle that survives the urban jungle while sipping fuel like a compact car, the 2013 Lexus CT 200h is your ultimate weapon. This car is essentially a Toyota Prius wrapped in a sharp premium tuxedo. By combining the world's most proven hybrid powertrain with Lexus's obsessive build quality, they created a luxury hatchback that is virtually impossible to kill. Under the hood sits the legendary 1.8-liter hybrid system. This drivetrain is famous for reaching 400,000 miles in taxi fleets around the world, proving that hybrid doesn't have to mean fragile. It offers incredible fuel economy without the high maintenance costs of a European diesel or a complex turbo engine. Inside, you get a driver-focused cockpit with high-quality materials and that signature Lexus silence. It's a car that handles with more agility than a standard hybrid, making it perfect for city life. In 2026, the CT 200h remains the smartest choice for anyone who wants luxury, efficiency, and a car that will likely outlast their next 3 iPhones combined. It is the gold standard of sensible luxury,